Bonjour, good day. We are the participants in the French Mass today. We've come from St. Xavier's High Secondary, Mapsa. These are all our students who participated in the choir. We were invited to sing for this Mass after a gap of 4 years. And we were so delighted to come back and be able to participate in this French Mass, because learning French shouldn't be restricted to the classroom. Being part of such a big cultural event, and in particular the Mass, gives us such an advantage when it comes to singing and saying the responses. It makes us be aware of the ground reality of what French actually is. And it is a wonderful experience for us today because we had 4 peaceful celebrating. It's never happened before. And we had this opportunity to listen to a French priest giving us the sermon. Wonderful. I think the children are filled with awe, being this decennial celebration and the exposition of the relics. Being given an opportunity on such a large platform is not something that is given to everyone, and we are very, very blessed to get this opportunity. Thank you so much to the organizers and to Patricio for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much.